Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to look at calculator history on iPhone or iPad. Are you looking for a quick guide how to look at your calculator's history on your iPhone or your iPad? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so follow these steps to copy the most recent result from the calculator app. Open the calculator app on your iPhone, then push and hold it for a few seconds. Select copy last result from the drop-down menu. The app will display the most recent computation result. Keep your finger on the result in the calculator app. Copy something, click the copy button that displays. However, this is the utmost you can do. If you want a full history, you won't be able to get it even if you don't add any new functions. The last result stays in any calculator app. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.